Jen.
And I'm Joey.
And we're from Keep It Real Estate. Today we're here at Sentosa Cove
to show you a one-of-a-kind unit at Cape Royale. Come on, let's go. Check it out.
This private lift lobby takes you straight to your home, giving you the privacy that you would want for your family. Now you'll be first greeted by this gorgeous living room where you'll have ample space to host family gatherings, parties, and also have a place to unwind from a long day. Now this is further accented by tasteful touches like centerpiece chandelier fixtures and warm cove lighting to remind you that you are indeed living in the lap of luxury. Now our dining space is seamlessly integrated on one side, ready for those fancy dinner events. Now, flanking the living room with dark timber planks that will remind you of the beachside is a huge open balcony, letting in plenty of sunlight and sea breeze into this high-floor unit, as well as providing access to this beautiful view of the sea and the condo landscaping as well as the nearby marina. This balcony space is enough for a large lounge so that you can experience resort-style living and relaxation without ever needing to leave your own home.
Along the corridor is a dedicated study area for those who work from home days. It's beautifully done in the dark wood for that professional look, with full-height windows keeping the place brightly lit to ensure that you always leave your best impression over those Zoom calls. And right beside it, this will be your powder room, which could also act as a common bathroom for your guests. Now on to the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is decked out with plenty of functional cabinetry as well as premium fittings from the likes of German manufacturer Miele, from all our culinary needs. From the design of the kitchen, you can actually tell that they give a lot of thought to it, which includes the ability to enclose the kitchen to preserve the rest of the room from the smoke and oil of heavy cooking. And it doesn't lack the style as well, giving a sleek, modern look befitting the luxury unit.
Moving on to the two common rooms. Both common rooms are able to fit a queen-size bed comfortably with bedside tables on each side. The curved bay windows give these rooms plenty of natural lighting with a breathtaking view of the sea that reminds me of the luxury suites on cruise ships. Now, follow me to the next level, where I'll show you the best feature of this penthouse. Imagine having this whole floor to yourself, where you will have access to the spa, pool, the terrace, and your master bedroom.
Upon entering the master bedroom, you can see how massive the place is, with a high ceiling, and not only that, with a breathtaking view out of your window. But that's not all. Past the walk-in wardrobe, you'll see a grand bathroom. It has a built-in bathtub and premium fittings, and also it leads to an outdoor sunbathe where you can get your tan from the comfort of your own home.
Although it already is in an amenities-rich area of Singapore, Cape Royale itself comes with an abundance of facilities, with everything from grill pavilions, jacuzzi pods, and a wide ocean view pool that looks out into the Singapore street. A short ride from the Cove Village bus stop will take you to Harbourfront MRT station, giving you direct access to the Circle Line and North East Line, as well as linking you to the rest of the island. For food and shopping, you will find plenty of options just within Cove Village close by. World-class food, retail options await you at VivoCity and Resorts World Sentosa. There'll be no shortage of things to do on Sentosa Island, with a variety of golf clubs, beaches, as well as larger attractions like Universal Studios for you to spoil yourself. Thank you for watching our home tour of this amazing, mind-blowing unit here at Cape Royale.
If you're interested in this unit, do give us a call to find out more. Once again, this is Joey.
And I'm Joanne, and we're from Keep It Real Estate. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye!